Trains, not just machine of steel, but carries of unbelievable mysteries. From breathtaking engineering wonders to shocking moment on camera. Today, you will witness 10 clips that will leave you speechless. Let's start it. A powerful diesel train surges forward with unstoppable force, crushing traffic lights in its path, leaving everyone shocked and terrified. You've seen trains running on roads, but have you ever seen a train floating on water? The most amazing part, how do people even board such a train? At first, I thought some massive tornado of snow was approaching, but then I realized it's actually a giant train rushing straight towards me. A train overloaded with passengers, people clinging to the roof, hanging on the sides, every inch packed with travelers fighting for space. Imagine a tiny road bustling with a market at right thought it. A train barrels past, barely missing the stall and the crowd. Bored on the tracks, the train leans out as if it's taking a little stage after a long ride. It looks like a snowplow, but surprise, it's actually a train rolling over a snow-covered road. The train speeds along the tracks as if it's riding a waterfall's current, disappearing it into the mist. These videos are extraordinary and captured some unbelievable moments that you don't usually see. Let us know in the comments which video you liked the most.